Hello aspirants, forms for LSAT 2024 are going to close very soon. So we just want to make sure that all of you have filled the form, and if you haven't filled the form, we are here to help you out. So today we are coming with a detailed video about this LSAT 2024 and what are the different dates and the closing date for the registration and the syllabus and everything we will cover in detail, and we will also fill the form live so that you can check if you have missed something. So let's get started. So we can see that registration will be closing on January 10th, 2024. So we have a very less time now. So please make sure that if you haven't filled the form, you must start it today. So we will see the question paper pattern. There is analytical reasoning, there is logical reasoning, and there is reading comprehension. So there are three things involved in this, only three subjects are there. And when we talk about the marks distribution, you can see that analytical reasoning, you will get 23 questions for which you will have 35 minutes. Logical reasoning 1, you will get 22 questions, 35 minutes. Logical reasoning 2, 23 questions, 35 minutes. And reading comprehension, 24 questions and 35 minutes. So overall you will have 92 questions and you will have total time of 2 hours 20 minutes. So the time given is very good. You can easily attempt the paper. The difficulty level of LSAT has always been moderate to difficult, and sometimes it's easy also. But overall it will be very good to attempt. And then very important thing that these are the important dates, key dates to remember. So as I mentioned that registration is going to close on 10th January, and registration opened 2-3 months back. It's in 14th August 2023 it was open, and it will be closing on 10th January. And exam scheduling will happen from 10th December to 12th January 2024, and everything exam date must be around 20 to 21 January 2024, and scorecard release date has not yet been out, so it will be released soon. So this is about the January 2024. So everything will be done, scheduling and all will be done by 12th January, and even system check test will be done from 17th December to 16th January. So there are even technical specification for your system. You need to check. There will be mock test to check whether everything is going fine. So that will be done from 17th December 23 to 16th January 2024. So you can check your system if it is matching with the mock test or not. And for the May 2024, so registration will close on 2024 2nd May, and system check test will be done from 29th March to 12 May 24, and the exam date will be somewhere around 16th to 19th May 2024, and scorecard release date is not been out. What will be the fees and payment? So fees and payment is for every single attempt you have to pay 4,000 rupees. So if you are attempting the January test, you have to pay 4,000. If you are also attempting the May test, you again have to pay 4,000 rupees. Do not get confused that paying one time you will be allowed to appear in both the test. It will not be the case. You have to give 4,000 rupees every single time. And you can pay through a credit card, debit card, internet banking, different payment wallets or cash card. So multiple options are there, multiple venues are there, and you can pay very easily. And no refund will be entertained, no refund will be issued. This is a non-refundable payment. So please make sure that you have to give the exam before filling the form. So registration process, what you need is, you need a valid email address, you need a mobile number, you need to have your recent passport size photograph, and you must have a valid photo ID with the complete name, date of birth and signature, and you must have your digital payment mode also ready. If you're paying from card, please keep your card handy and ready, because you will receive an OTP in the designated mobile number. So now there are steps for registration as well. First step, we have to complete our application Step 2, we have to check our technical requirements. And step 3, you must have to prepare for test. Step 4, take the test. And step 5, you will get your scores. So along with this, it is important that you must know that along with LSAT, LSAT is primarily for OP Jindal Global University. Along with this, there are multiple colleges which will consider your LSAT score. So it is very important that you perform really well in the LSAT. And I will also tell you the score range. So you will receive a scaled score between 420 to 480, and you will also get your percentile rank. So with this, you can apply in other colleges as well. So I'll show you the list of colleges what all universities and college will be accepting your LSAT score. So it's starting from BITS Law School, Alliance University, Asian Law College Noida, CMR, Goenka, IILM, Jindal Global Law School, Lloyd Law College, Presidency University, UPES, VIT School of Law, and there are few more which are going to come. So you already have a bundle of law schools with you when you are giving LSAT. So please give this exam very seriously, because it will enhance your opportunity to get into the good law schools, good private law schools. So now we will see the form, how it looks like. So this is a major page. It is a Pearson VUE website. In this, you have to fill the form. So we can see that we have already checked the details which are required. So please keep your documents handy when you are going to apply for the college. So now if you didn't sign up yet, you have to go here and sign up. You have to put your name, mobile number, email ID, and with that you will be able to have your account ready. You will get a verification link in the email ID, and you have to click here. With this, your email ID and your password will be verified, and you can further log in from here. So I have already created my account, so I will log in now and we will see how we can fill the form. So I have logged in now. You can see it is the main page. It's a dashboard. So you have to fill up your name, you have to fill up your gender, you have to fill up your date of birth, religion, and then there is the best way to reach me. So let's say if you're more conversant in WhatsApp, please put WhatsApp. If you check your emails quite often, then put email. So whatever is convenient to you, tap that option. If you don't use any of this thing, you can click phone also. So let's say we tap WhatsApp, we have a contact number. Then you have to put your current address. Then tap, so you can put permanent address and current address is same, and then tap save and continue. Then you can see user details updated successfully, and then there are options. So you can choose what you want, like maybe January attempt or May attempt. So then you have to tap on view details and you can pay from here. So let's say if we put January, so then again you have to proceed and you have to apply now, and then you have to complete your payment, and thereafter once your payment is done, so then you will get an option to upload the document. So the same procedure has been followed in the Symbiosis form filling as well. So if you have filled the form of Symbiosis entrance, so you will get to know this, that once you are done with your personal details which is required for the application, then you have to pay the registration fees, and then you get to fill the education qualification. So your different SSC board, HSC board, and all the other things are required to be filled. It will be filled after completing the payment. So once you are done with the payment, please make sure that you download the receipt and keep it for the future reference, because this will be considered as a proof that your form is completed with the due payment. So here you can see, now the important part is you have to fill all this details. So name is already filled, date is filled, basic details are here, contact number and WhatsApp number are same. If it is same, please tap yes. Then you have to select your nationality, then program you are applying for. So this is very important. Whatever program you are applying for, it is 5-year LLB program for us. So please tap 5-year integrated law program. And then special needs, if you are differently abled, yes or no, tap accordingly. Then other details you have to fill. Have you taken the LSAT India exam previously? Accordingly, yes and no tap. How did you know about LSAT India? Anything, website, newspaper, anything you can tap. Have you taken coaching for law entrance exam? If you have taken, please tap yes or accordingly no. So let's say if you have taken coaching centers, so there are different coaching centers, you can tap it. Do you plan to take other law entrance tests this year? Yes or no, whatever your plan is, you can tap. Then you have to fill your parent details, write their name, write their email ID, write their contact number. Then you have to upload your identification documents. You have to upload your Aadhaar card, voter ID, PAN card or passport. Whatever is available with you, you have to put it. File size should not exceed 2 MB. So please make sure that whatever document you are uploading, it should not cross 2 MB. And do not upload a password protected file. So oftentimes now even passports, if you download the passport from the official website, oftentimes it is password protected, and even Aadhaar cards are password protected. So do not upload such document which will require them to put a password, otherwise it will be rejected. So I will recommend that before uploading the document in the portal, please check whether it is clear or not. So open the PDF beforehand and check if it is not asking for the password, then only upload it in the portal. So after this you have to tap the so I cannot upload the document as of now, so you have to upload this and you have to tap save and exit. You have to tap save and exit. So you have to tap your website also, let's say lsat.com. So you have to upload the document and then you will tap on save and exit, and then you will be required to pay. So as you can see, the second step is the payment. You will be required to complete the payment here. That is 4,000 rupees is for the one set and 8,000 rupees is for the two sets. And then you have to tap your educational qualification, and then you are all done with the form filling. So these are the detailed steps. We have seen different colleges also. So please make sure that you are filling the form very diligently. Do not commit any error, because you will not get to edit your form. So please fill it correctly. Please make the payment rightly and download the receipt, and post completion of your form, go to the print application and get the PDF of your whole form and keep it saved for the future reference. So I hope you have understood the whole process, and we will also be coming with another form filling for the private colleges. So stay tuned in our channel. See you in the next video. Thank you.